So this is the first problem from the Emil Aggarwal book for class 10 ICSE board from the chapter shares and dividends. Okay, so what does the problem say? Find the dividend received on 60 shares of rupees 20 each if 9% dividend is declared. So what does this line means? What are the data that are given in the question? It is number of shares is equal to 60. Fine. Now this one, rupees 20 each. What does this mean? Rupees 20 each means this is the nominal value or the face value of each share. So what is the nominal value or the face value? The nominal value or the face value for each share, it is NV, is equal to rupees 20. Fine. And what is the rate of dividend? Rate of dividend, it is equal to 9%. Fine. So in the previous video I have explained about all the formulas that are required. So to find the dividend we need this formula. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to number of shares into NV into dividend percent. Fine. Now what is the number of shares? That is 60. What is the NV or the nominal value? It is rupees 20. And what is the dividend percent? It is 9. So we write as 9 by 100. So this is the entire thing. Now this and this cancels out, this and this cancels out. So it's 6 into 2, it's 12 into 9. So 12 into 9, which is equal to rupees 108. So this is your answer. So this is your actual answer, it is 108. Okay, if you have any doubt, please feel free to comment below, and to know more, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Thank you.